Good morning everyone, it's me Louie Carpuz. We are here in McDonald's Insular. We're gonna have a nice whole day of walking around Baguio. Just waiting for a few of our companions, so let's go. I'm wearing like a coat and polo right now, but with rubber shoes. So I think we're gonna be attending a wedding. Thank you so much. Let's go.
Sponsors, ang ating mga review pag-punar po kayo sa ito. Naginabot kanina, kung wala po kayo water bottle, our assurance will handle ito. Ito na po ang magiging water bottle for the whole day of event. Nag-set up po tayo ng let us all welcome the best.